like to go to the restaurant and then the garden for dinner. But they can't see. So what should we put next to the garden and the restaurant? People cannot see. They can't see.
No ven, porque es de noche.
So we're going to put a street lamp or a street light. Very good. Very good.
Ahora que viene.
Now she can see. How romantic. How romantic.
Very romantic.
Okay. This area will be the area of official government functions. We have our police station, which will be to your left of the wagons, on the inside curve, okay, you have a police station. Okay? In the inside curve, you have the police station. Very good. Very good. Across the tracks from the police station, there is a hospital. So the opposite side.
Opposite side. Okay.
Okay, it is very, very important that the police and the hospital are able to see. So please place another street lamp. 2 more street lamps. Just in case.
Yes. And the hospital and the police stations.
Very good. Let's place the traffic lights, or the stop lights, before the level crossing. Before the level crossing. Either side. Very good. And at the end of the tracks on this side, please place the petrol station. At the end of the tracks on this side. On this side. Very nice. Where